Bonjour, fragrance lovers. This is Clémence. I talk about fragrance. Come back. In today's video, we have a special Halloween video. No, the Halloween video is not me without makeup. I don't want to see any comment like that. Thank you. I've got Rin, my best friend, with me today again. So we're very happy to see her again. I will put down below the link of the video that we've done together the first time. But today, Rin is a makeup artist, so she's going to do my makeup for Halloween. You will see the process of it.
We're going to be doing something a little bit more creative. I managed to convince her to go as creative as possible, and we're going to try some prosthetics and maybe something a little bit more exciting, which I won't uncover too much until later on.
I'm so scared.
Don't be scared, it'll be fine.
Yeah, just let's start the video. Voilà. It's the free time we've been this scene. I can't stand it anymore.
And I'm still at shock.
What do you mean?
Well,
how was that scary?
Well,
okay, well, the free time I'm recording this, so trust me, it's going to be short enough now. So, Rin, what have you done to my face?
We transformed her into a little devil. We started off by painting her into a red canvas, and then I chose some prosthetic pieces. So these little horns are one of my favorite pieces that I recently bought, and yeah, how do you feel?
I feel good. I feel really myself.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks a bit like you as well, like sweet, angelic, you know.
You're too kind.
Yeah, it's just the cover because you didn't see the rest.
Wow.
Sorry. So basically the idea is I chose free angelic scent for Rin and free scent coming from hell for me. So this is the first one, which is called Nivea, and if you know the Nivea cream scent, you will know this scent. So it smells like a moisturizer. It's very cloudy, easy, but so we need something that smells like a pillow or a morning moisturizer. That could for me work, because you look like a little sweet cloud. Oh. What do you think? Do you recognize the moisturizer? Yeah. I can't smell anything, I've got allergic reactions. Oh. So yeah, that was my first idea of scent, because I wanted something very clean and obviously like the bottle really matching like the look. I wanted to go a bit more niche, because we had a very simple one. Well, it's not niche, it's designer, because it's Tom Ford. And this is one of my favorite scents. It's called Soleil Neige. So obviously it really smells like a morning when you buy the snow. Like you wake up in a chalet, you see the snow, and it's the morning, there's a sun ray that smells like this to me. Very powdery.
I love this one.
Ah, it's so beautiful, isn't it? It's bright bergamot at the start, and then you get really that musky white musk tone. Very cloudy.
This was not what I expected.
What do you mean?
It's a lot more fresh than I expected.
Yeah, it's the bergamot. It's quite bright. There's a collection with Soleil Neige and Soleil Blanc that is more summery, but all of them can be worn summer to winter really easily. It's just like a very bright, but at the same time cocooning at the end. It dried down to something very cozy. So this is the idea of pureness, whiteness.
It's reminded me of like just Christmas.
Oh no, Christmas. I actually bought it last Christmas, I think, and I loved it to wear on my scarf. It was really, really comforting.
Really?
Yeah, so I think it suits the look today, Rin.
Thank you. I really like it.
This one.
What have you got?
So I've had the idea of a little bit of layering. So obviously you're dressed like a little cloud and a little fairy. To me, so you have to wear the cloud by Ariana Grande. So we all know this being a good dupe of the Baccarat Rouge from Francis Kurkdjian, and which is the case, but this is much more sweeter, I would say girly. The ultra luxury quality of ingredients, but you get the thing that is very sweet, like a candy floss to me.
It's luxurious, but I'm so surprised it's it high street?
So yeah, it's Ariana Grande. Yeah, I think she's doing pretty good perfume. Like, I mean, I've got nearly all of them and I'm always very happy with them because compared to the price, it's actually nice.
It's very addictive.
Yeah, it is addictive. So that would be the sweetest of all for you, I would say. Out of all the three, if you would have take one for your outfit, which one would you take?
One.
Just one.
So close between Soleil Neige and the Ariana Grande cloud. Very, very close. They're like opposite spectrums.
They're opposite. Like this is much more sweeter and the other one is much more brighter, but still quite cozy. But I would say, yeah, I would really like you to wear like a Tom Ford. That would be really nice.
I like the bottle too.
Definitely. The bottle is beautiful. Look at this. Oh, so beautiful. I wanted to introduce something as well for this one. That's why I said layering. There's this little oil that I've been talking in my latest video by Irish Fragrance, and it's called Bewitch, and it's something you can put in before to give a more luxurious trail to your sweet fragrance, like Ariana Grande. So it smells like that. I'll show you on my hand. It smells like this. So it's very delicate.
Wow.
It's like a rose, a bit like an oriental vibe, and when you put that with a very sweet fragrance like this, you really get something a bit more luxurious. So this is usually what I like to do with a celebrity smell, to give something a bit more intense, I would say.
Oh, wow. Why does it smell very like, you know, that gingery spiciness?
Yeah, there's a bit of spiciness, yeah.
Oh, it's pretty.
I don't know if it's ginger. He gives like a very, like, you know, warm, sexy trail to it, so I do like that. Anyway, I mix all my oil with anything to make it, like, you know, a bit more crazy. Tried initial fragrances before because you've got one.
Yes, from you. My birthday present.
Yeah.
She actually got me the Atomic Rose, which I love, and she got me into.
Yeah, so when did you wear it, your Atomic Rose?
Well, on my dates. That's a top secret. Okay.
Okay, the fragrance that got me into initial fragrance was this one. I don't have the full bottle, but I have a spray like this, and it's called Oud for Greatness, and this is explosive. This is slightly animalic, a lot of saffron. Saffron gives like a sugar sweetness, but not too much. It's a proper wood. That's like killing everyone. Projection beast, like leaving a trail that is crazy.
Sounds like you.
Yes.
Wow. It's not too much.
Yeah. Because it's got a bit of delicacy, sweetness, so I feel like it's not a proper animalic scent, which is nice. When you think about oud, sometimes it can be a bit too, like, smelling like a wet animal to me.
What?
What?
Yeah, but this is nice because it's nicely balanced, very luxurious, and it's a very well-known fragrance for like giving an amazing projection, which is like, you know, people like it nowadays. So that would be my first one, and obviously it gives like a very mysterious, sexy, to me ultra sexy, something that I would wear to impress someone. Second one will be Sappho by Lush, and I think you know that because
we went to the event together.
Sure. So we went to the event with Lush and they introduced the Renaissance collection, and there was Sappho that smelled, I would say, prohibited to me. Like it's ultra sexy, but in a more, okay, I'm gonna say that, but sorry, it is a bit more sexual. Like it does smell intimate, if you know what I mean.
Now you've put that idea in my head.
Sorry, for me it does smell like this. Like it's ultra feminine to me. It's much more feminine because you've got this dirty jasmine that is here, and I insist on the word dirty because it does smell like this. It's something that you cannot wear during daytime for me, definitely winter, and it's something like you need a good occasion to wear it and a good audience.
Is there violet in this?
Huh?
Is there violets in this?
I'm not too sure. Probably. Flowery, but something a bit more vintage as well to me. There's a very vintage trail, and with Lush fragrances, they usually gives a lot. They really straightforward. They're right in your face and in there, and sometimes they have a bit of like synthetic touch as well. That is quite interesting in those. You know, for some situation.
Don't go into too much detail.
Yes, there is one for me. You probably know this one because I wore it quite a lot when I actually purchased it, and it's called Musc Ravageur from Frédéric Malle. And this is for me the best thing that niche fragrance have to offer. Obviously working with the best perfumer. I mean, it was done by Maurice Roussel, which is amazing. And Musc Ravageur smells like not a white musk. It's not cottony, it's not fluffy. It's like a proper black and brown musk. So Nelly smell very animalic, and it's a vanilla bomb.
Oh, it is definitely a vanilla bomb.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I see. It's very sensual, but again, it's projecting a lot, and the musk is there for sure. But really, what you can smell is that very heady vanilla, and I insist on that. It's heady. You need to be ready for this fragrance. Like if you want to give like a long-lasting impression, you want to make sure that when you enter in a room, everybody is going to look at you. I think it's amazing.
They'll definitely know you're there.
That's what I like. I want people that know that I'm entering in the room. All of them's got very something ultra sexy, black and intense, and that when you smell it, it's not bright. So I think for Halloween will be perfect. That's it for us. Thank you, Rin, for doing that to me. I think it's quite cool. Rin, talk to us through your social media. Where can we find you?
I am mostly on Instagram. All my work is also on YouTube, although I've taken a little bit of a break recently.
Yes, but there's a lot of tutorial in there.
Yes.
And more will be coming, I guess.
And I created a new TikTok account.
Oh my god, she did. That's a bit my fault.
Yes, it's entirely your fault.
Oh my god, I'm not that much into TikTok to be honest, but we have to follow the trends.
Yeah, well, it's addictive.
Well, she started, and to be honest, the first video she's done was with that kind of look, and oh my god, it's amazing, really. Like if you want to see like proper like makeup artists, you have to tune into her channel. It's really great. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to Rin's channel. All the details are in the description down below, and you've got them here, and you've got them here.
Where are they?
They're there. Sorry. I think we're tired.
Yeah,
I'm tired.
It's midnight, right?
Yeah, we're gonna remove all of that and go to bed.
I think we've had such a long day today.
You've did the most, but yeah.
It's good fun though, so
It's good fun.
thanks for being my model today.
Oh, it's okay. Yeah, we will see you very soon. Bye now. Most painful thing ever.
Excuse me?
It's painful.
You're sensitive.
Don't say that to a demon. Very painful. Yeah. Si. Oui. say it, you're suffering. Yeah. So it looks like I'm gonna kill someone. Oh, I'm firing you. And you. And you. And you. You. Fired. Fired.
Little devil is feeding.
Stand. Merlin. Oh, oui.